Toshiba introduces the Portégé M800. This product is a beautifully designed machine embodying Toshiba's design principles of balancing functional design, emotional design, quality and reliability in a product. My name is Jens Böcking and I'm Product Marketing Manager Toshiba Germany, Austria. Design always played a very important role for Toshiba and still plays. Leading innovation is our slogan, and we always combine best-class design with high technology. You open the laptop, you see the full flat palm rest. It's illuminated and the illumination can even be switched off. The Toshiba Easy Keys enable you to start an application. For example, you can just press the Easy key over here and the Windows Media Player is started. Connectivity is easy with features like wireless LAN technology and Bluetooth. You can, for example, connect your mobile phone easily and synchronize it. Furthermore, you have the possibility to configure your wireless LAN hotspot with Config Free. It's a tool by Toshiba to identify hotspots and to dial in. Now I show you the USB Sleep and Charge feature. 3 USB Sleep and Charge ports allow the user to charge mobile devices even if the notebook is completely switched off. You see over here, the red light is on. The M800 represents the perfect combination out of design and technology. It doesn't just appeal to the consumer, but also to the business customer.